Hi everybody, this is Nora, and I know I have been in a long string of reviews, so I really wanted to bring you a tutorial. This design, I've had it saved on my Instagram for the longest. It was really at the bottom, and it is inspired by, her name is Jessica Harris. Her Instagram name, oops, here it is. Let me zoom out here so you can see. Her Instagram name is Perfect 10 Custom Nails, and here is the inspirational picture. Check it out. Gorgeous, gorgeous design. It's that turquoise and black with some gold. And yes, I know it's not exact. I kind of cheated a little bit again to make things simple or simpler, easier for me to do. And this is a gel manicure, guys. So yes, go ahead and check her out. Look at her page. I mean, her stuff is just amazing. Look at those designs. Wow. But yes, I thought I will bring you a tutorial. I really love how this turned out. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I will leave you now with the tutorial and I hope you guys enjoy.